I'm telling you about my favorite hobby. My favorite hobby is playing League of Legends, the video game. I have been playing this same game almost 10 years now. The game has evolved a lot since it first came out. The game is 5 versus 5 multiplayer game, and the goal is to destroy the enemy base. Here is the map you play in the game. It has red side and blue side. Teams start in the base, and you have to reach the enemy base and destroy it. You win the game when you have destroyed this last nexus in the game. I like this game so much because it's very competitive game and it has over 160 different champions to play with. You never get bored because you have that high variety of champions to play with. My favorite champion is Heimerdinger, the alien invader. I like the champion because it's fun to play and it's super powerful when you master the playstyles. My nickname in the game is now Herra Poncho. That name comes from one of my dog because it's named Poncho. I have achieved the rank Platinum 3 in the game. Ranks go from Iron to Challenger and each rank has 4 ladders before you can move to next rank. The ranks are Iron, Bronze, Silver, Gold, Platinum, Master and Challenger. My dream is one day reach the Challenger rank because then everything is achieved in this game and I can finally quit it. Until that, I just need to practice and try to move forward in the game.